Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be taking the control flow quiz. Before I get into it, I want to let you guys know if you're looking for internships or other opportunities, check out the top link in the description. It's a completely free guide I made to help you land your dream position, all for free. So check it out. So which of the following is a Boolean expression? My name is Angelo. Nope. New York Yankees are the classiest baseball team. Nope. 3 is the most elegant number. Okay, this quiz is very hard. I think my name is Angelo. Yeah, whether or not my name is actually Angelo, the statement can only be true or false, so it is a Boolean statement. Okay. Read the following code. Click carefully what will happen when the code is executed. So we'll do it. X equals 0. There's got to be a syntax error because this doesn't have the double equals. Yup. And then determine the truth value of the following function. So 4 is less than or equal to 6, true, and 7 plus 1 equals 8, true, so this whole thing will be true. Okay, which of the following statements contain a Boolean value? My super variable, so true plus false. My cool variable of 7 plus 8 does not equal, this one, because it uses like a Boolean or relational operator there. Determine the truth value of this. Okay, so 4 times 5 is 20 is less than or equal to 20 minus, that's true. Determine the truth value of this. So that's 3 to the 2, which is 3 times 3, which is going to be 9 plus 1, that is 9, does not equal 3 divided by 3, which is 30, that is true. No? Oh, it's plus 1. Okay, makes sense. I kind of zoned out there. Okay, consider the code below. What would this print to the terminal? So x equals 5, and then if x is less than or equal to 2, print this is printed. X is less than or equal to 4, this is also printed. If x is greater than or less than or equal to 6, this is printed. Is this printed? I think it's just, is this printed, right? Is this printed? This might be printed. Because these are all if statements. Okay, that makes so much more sense. Okay. Determine the truth value of the following expression. So we have 5 times 2, which is 10. And then 10 minus 1 equals 9. So the whole thing is false. How is it what? Oh, that's 11. Okay, makes sense. Alright, so in the next video we'll be learning how to create a magic 8 ball. But yeah, that's gonna end it right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.